Assalamu alaikum students, this is Sajid Mughal. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you that how you can manage your project cost to every project. Suppose you are running a construction company named MSABC company, and you are working on different projects and you are managing the stock and other expenses to each of the project. For this purpose you have to create a single sheet and you can do all these transactions from this sheet. For this purpose I'm going to create a sheet, date, particulars, amount, and this is our suppose project A, project B, project C, D, project B, project E, and project F. These are some of the projects on which you are working. Now I have to do some entries. Suppose on 1st May 2016 material supplied to A. A means project A. Of rupees, you can say I'm going to use 50,000. And May 5, 2016 material supplied to B of cost 60,000, and E I'm going to limit this just on 4 projects, 30,000, here you can see I'm going to use this format from short date, and material supplied to B 70,000, and paid salary for A, B, C, D, you can see over here amount, you can just enter and paid utility charges A, B, C, D, costing, you can see. Now I'm going to close it over here. Total is equals sum, select this one, Control D, Control D. Now I want to allocate this cost to relevant project. For this purpose, what I have to do is, one thing is very tight process, that is look at over here and do the entry here. Suppose material supplied to A 50,000 and second entry B 60,000. This is a very long process and there are chances of errors. So I'm going to use a simple formula over here. Before using the formula, insert a column over here, name, project code. Here you have to enter the project code. This material supplied to project A, I am going to write A, just center there. This is B, this is C, this is D, A, B, B, C, A, B, B and C. You have to enter like this. With each entry you have to write a code over here. Suppose I am going to increase a transaction here and overhead charges for project A. You have to write A over here and write amount here. And now I'm going, on the basis of this code, I'm going to use a formula over here, is equals if this column is equals in inverted commas A, then I needed this column, otherwise write 0. Okay, and F2, copy this formula, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, and F2 rename from A to B, A to C and A to D, and just select this all, copy and select down and press enter. Here you can see all the amounts is directly posted to the relevant project. And here you can see 1,22,000 is cost of project A, 82 is of B, 67 and 135 and so on. You can use this for any purpose regarding your expenses, your products and other purposes. So if you want to have a look at all the project cost, you have to do a simple task, is equals, I'm going to write this one, this one, this one, or you can do it like this. Select this one, Control C, come here, paste, go to special paste, and here you can use transpose. Okay, in this way you can paste all these amounts over there. And here you can use this amount, or suppose I'm going to use like this. You have to use it like this, this one, second one, third one and fourth one. Okay, and so project cost, mark this one and select, go to insert and derive the column. I have not needed empty, select data from here. Okay, you can see over here a beautiful chart is also displaying the project cost. I'm going to use it over here, and here you can use this kind of chart. Delete this one. Now you can see over here I'm going to rename this. You can see the effects, and here you can enter. So this was about project cost. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Okay, goodbye.